this is not just a car. This is the 1966 Adam West Batmobile. And today, it's far from heroic. Time hasn't been kind to it. Dust, scratches, cracks, faded paint. Oh wow, look at this. Careful, this part is fragile. This Batmobile once ruled the streets of Gotham. Bright, loud, fearless. And now, it's tired. But legends don't disappear. I'm not letting this icon fade away. We're bringing it back. Alright, let's start with a deep clean. Years of dust. Oh, that's nasty. But look, the original lines are still there. This bolt hasn't moved in decades. Come on, come on. Yep, that hurt. This car fights back. Every detail matters on this car. The fins, the bat symbols, the curves. One mistake and history is damaged. No pressure, right? That black and the red trim. This is the moment. Batman fans know this has to be perfect. Wait, just look at that. That's not just shine, that's nostalgia. Same Batmobile, same soul, back in its suit. The 1966 Adam West Batmobile, a car that made generations believe, and legends like this deserve to be saved. If you love classic cars, movie icons, and real restorations, subscribe and join the journey.